Pallet wood is a versatile and often underappreciated material that has gained significant popularity in recent years, particularly in the realms of DIY projects, furniture making, and home decor. Typically made from softwoods such as pine, fir, or spruce, pallet wood is used to construct shipping pallets, which are essential for transporting goods in various industries. These pallets are designed to be sturdy and durable, able to withstand the rigors of loading, unloading, and stacking during shipping processes. However, once they have served their purpose, many pallets are discarded, leading to an abundance of wood that can be repurposed in creative and practical ways. Repurposing pallet wood offers numerous benefits, making it an attractive option for environmentally conscious individuals and crafty enthusiasts alike. One of the primary advantages of using pallet wood is its sustainability. By repurposing pallets, we divert waste from landfills, reducing our overall environmental footprint. The production of new lumber requires significant resources, including water, energy, and labor, and contributes to deforestation. In contrast, repurposing pallet wood makes use of existing materials, promoting a more sustainable approach to home improvement and decor. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of pallet wood project ideas to make money from home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another significant benefit of pallet wood is its cost-effectiveness. Pallets are often available for free or at a minimal cost from local businesses, warehouses, or shipping companies. This accessibility makes pallet wood an appealing choice for those looking to engage in woodworking or crafting without breaking the bank. By using repurposed materials, individuals can create beautiful and functional items at a fraction of the cost of purchasing new furniture or decor. In addition to being cost-effective, pallet wood is also rich in character and charm. Each pallet has its own unique history, often showcasing wear and tear that adds to its aesthetic appeal. The natural grain, knots, and imperfections found in pallet wood can enhance the visual interest of any project, providing a rustic and authentic look that is highly sought after in contemporary design. This individuality allows for creative expression, as no two pieces created from pallet wood will ever be exactly alike. The versatility of pallet wood is another major advantage. It can be used in a wide range of projects, from furniture and shelving to decorative accents and garden planters. This adaptability allows individuals to explore their creativity and experiment with various designs. Whether one is looking to build a coffee table, a bookshelf, or even a piece of wall art, pallet wood can be shaped, stained, and finished to suit any aesthetic or functional need. Moreover, repurposing pallet wood can foster a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. The process of transforming discarded materials into something new and functional can be incredibly rewarding. Engaging in DIY projects not only nurtures creativity, but also provides a tangible sense of achievement. Whether working alone or with family and friends, the act of repurposing pallet wood can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. Repurposing pallet wood also encourages the development of practical skills. For those new to woodworking, working with pallet wood can serve as an excellent introduction to the craft. Because pallets are often less expensive than new lumber, beginners can experiment and learn without the fear of wasting costly materials. This hands-on experience can build confidence and competence, allowing individuals to tackle more complex projects in the future. Additionally, using pallet wood can contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a home. The rustic charm of pallet wood fits well with various design styles, including farmhouse, industrial, and bohemian. It can bring warmth and character to a space, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Whether used as a statement piece or as part of a larger design scheme, pallet wood can enhance the overall look and feel of a home. Pallet wood can also be treated to ensure it is safe for indoor use. Before repurposing pallets, it is essential to check for any markings that indicate treatment with chemicals. Generally, pallets that are stamped with HT, heat-treated, are safe for repurposing, while those marked with MB, methyl bromide, should be avoided due to potential toxicity. By selecting the right pallets and properly preparing the wood, individuals can create safe and beautiful pieces for their homes. Furthermore, the use of pallet wood can inspire a greater appreciation for craftsmanship and sustainability. In a world dominated by mass-produced items, repurposing materials encourages a shift toward more thoughtful consumption. This mindset fosters a deeper understanding of the value of materials and the importance of sustainability in our daily lives. By opting for repurposed wood, individuals can contribute to a movement that prioritizes creativity, resourcefulness, and environmental responsibility. Engaging in projects with pallet wood can also serve as a form of stress relief and a creative outlet. The act of working with one's hands can be therapeutic, providing a sense of escape from the pressures of everyday life. Focusing on a tangible project allows individuals to channel their energy into something productive and meaningful. This creative engagement can lead to improved mental well-being, fostering a sense of purpose and fulfillment. In addition to personal benefits, the repurposing of pallet wood can also have a positive impact on local communities. As more individuals take up woodworking and DIY projects, there is the potential for local workshops and community events to flourish. These gatherings can provide opportunities for knowledge sharing, skill development, and collaboration among community members. By fostering a sense of community around repurposing and craftsmanship, individuals can build connections and support one another in their creative endeavors. The trend of using pallet wood has also led to a growing market for upcycled furniture and decor. As more people recognize the value of repurposed materials, there's an increasing demand for unique, handmade items. This trend supports local artisans and small businesses that specialize in creating furniture and decor from pallet wood. By purchasing these items, individuals can contribute to the local economy while acquiring one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story. Furthermore, pallet wood can be a source of inspiration for sustainable design practices. As designers and makers explore the possibilities of repurposed materials, they're prompted to think critically about consumption, waste, and creativity. The use of pallet wood can challenge traditional notions of what constitutes new and valuable materials in design. This shift in perspective can lead to innovative solutions that prioritize sustainability and resourcefulness. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked pallet wood project ideas to make money from home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.